Mini chefs, you've learned the claw. Today's mission, learn the ancient arts of the bridge grip.
Mini Chef time! Welcome back! Let's learn to cook just like that!
Welcome back, young slicers. Today's mission, learn the ancient arts of the bridge grip.
Step 1. Place your hand on the top of the food like this. Fingers on one side, thumb on the other. Next, slide the knife safely under the bridge. Focus. Breathe. Slice. Like a true kitchen warrior. Precision over power. That is the way of the knife. And remember, only trolls live under the bridge. Your fingers, they stay on top.
You have done well, young slicers. For your next lesson in the way of the blade, subscribe to Mini Chef Academy and continue your training in the blade. Remember, slice with control, focus.